Today, we got 64 days of peace, and our topic today on this 12th day is grounded. That's right. We're speaking about the feeling of being grounded and how the assurance of being connected to the earth can create a sense of solidity and safety and clarity. Yeah, that's a good one, isn't it? Clarity. When we are ungrounded, we have a problem staying in balance. So being grounded can be very helpful for us. So we understand that the earth itself has a system which actually can align and what we call entrain with our own. You can find a tree. You can hug a tree to help ground yourself, right? And you can stand on the earth every day and feel the radiant vibration. Will you walk in a grounded way? In the Chekhov technique, we often center ourselves before we begin an exercise, and we might ground first, and for example, before doing a contraction or receiving something from the goblet of creative inspiration, we will bring ourselves to radiating a deep, radiant light into the earth to ground, and sending a deep, deep energy into the center of the earth. We then can receive this solidity. And from there, when we fill ourselves with inspiration, allow inspiration to stream into us, we can walk with a feeling of groundedness. We can receive the electromagnetic gifts that the earth has to offer, and feeling grounded, we can feel much more stable, much more able to step toward peace every day. Every thought can be grounded in the feeling of peace. Grounding, grounding, grounding to generate a field of peace. Thank you.